Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. After yesterday's session, today we are going to discuss about a few more important concepts related to the community registration process. So once you registered in the community, what are the important links or else what are the important places that you have to keep in mind? So I'm already starting sharing my screen here. So once you enrolled with your personal mail ID, it will be look in this way, community.fabric.microsoft.com. This is the front end view. Some important key areas that you have to keep in mind while when working on the Microsoft tech stack, which you want to keep it update yourself. So I'm going to share those views with you. So this is the front page which you are observing currently. So monthly basis, Microsoft, whether it is a Fabric related or Power BI related, they're going to release some new updates like a preview features we are going to call it, or some latest fixes that we are going to call it, where we are going to observe those are all the things. So in this front end view, if you're observing the blocks, right? So here you can find Power BI update blocks, Fabric related update blocks, community blocks, and community if there is any news from there like events or knowledge sharing sessions, or maybe if there is any sticker challenges and so on. Like, let's come to discuss about Fabric, what is going to available or as what information is there captured in this Fabric updates. I'm clicking on this Fabric update block. So you can see here, a monthly basis they're going to release in the form of a summary. If you can click on this, you will get to know on the Fabric part, what are the new fixes. If you're observing, the monthly release brings a wide mix of improvements across the platform. On each and every workload, they will add if there is any new features and functionality, you can see here on one lake part or data engineering, data science, or data warehouse, and so on. So please keep an eye on this particular website. Maybe if you are working on an Fabric related projects, so that you will get to know and ahead what is going on at the back and front from the Microsoft team. So this is one of the important web link. And maybe if you're coming from a Power BI related stuff, as I said, from blocks itself, you can click on this Power BI blocks, you keep it update yourself, like what are the important features or preview features, fixes that have been done on Microsoft Power BI. So on June 20 monthly basis, as I said, right? Monthly basis, you can see the updates at each and every layer level. So reporting level, modeling level, even the API level, you can see here all the levels. You can see important features and then functionalities, what is happening on what are the new features that have been added to this Microsoft Power BI. Likewise, one more very interesting web link which is set. Maybe if you're planning to write a community blogs and you want to share your views to a global audience, there is a Fabric community block. Here you have to come here. So Fabric community block. So these are all the links I'm going to provide it in the description box so that it is easy for you what it is and what we will do it. So if you're observing here, maybe if I'm want to share my views on the Power BI community, Power BI related stuff, I can click on this Power BI community blog. And here, if you are new to this website, you have to create it as a new article. Just before get start with the new article, just go with 3 to 4 blocks, which are already written by some experts, right? You can go through that, what header they have provided, how they have been described the information, right? Those are all the information you have to provide, like what kind of a snapshots they have been provided, everything you have to go with 3 to 4 blocks. Please spend some time here so that you will get to know awareness like how can we share your blogs also. So once you will get started as a new article, if you're observing on the right hand side, helpful resources, click on this new article and provide the name of your blog, article subject, and teaser. Maybe if you want to add some kind of a teaser of your blog, you can add it. And here you have to write the body level, this particular area. You're going to attach the images, you're going to write the blogs related content, information, and so on. And finally, if it is a Power BI related blog, you can give some labels as well, like if it is an opinions or event or maybe related to your work activities or tips and tricks, you can add those data labels, blog related labels, and then submit for review. So once you can click on the submit for review, Microsoft community side, they will review your blog. If everything is valid and things are good at the blog site, they will publish into the globally. So after then only it looks and get it appear here. So like this example, one of the blocks, right? Clone report pointing to desired LHR workspace in 5 minutes. So make sure that the content part which you are going to elaborate in a crispy, not complete detail. So there should be some limit, right? So provide in a crispy wise, and even if you want to provide in a detailed mechanism wise also, it's good. So make sure that readable, not from AI generated, add it on your own and attach the snapshot which have been worked on your activities. That should be good so that the people will be get it readable and you can post it on your networking side as well. This is one thing I just want to share it with you. Like that, either it is a fabric blog, means fabric blog is there as a showcase to you. Power BI means Power BI blog, or maybe if you want to write on a data engineering side, data science, data factory related, IQ related blogs are there. Real time intelligence. Recently, I have written one of the blogs from database community blogs from last. I mean, 2 weeks back, and first I submitted. This is a recent blog from my end. One SQL anywhere part 3. So I'm releasing on a partly basis, part 1, part 2, part 3. So maybe if you're like, please read it, and maybe if you have any queries related to this SQL databases, please post it as well. I'm happy to help you and answer to your queries. Like that, as I mentioned, right, you have these many blocks, and each and every layer level you can click on it, you can add your blocks as a new article. So share it with your network so that they can share your views, and as well as you will get some good appreciations from the Microsoft Community Platform. Other than that, it's like maybe I have some ideas to improve on this product related, where we are going. So at the top itself, you can see important key areas like ideas. Click on this, submit your idea. Maybe if you have a very good idea for the improvements part, so you can add it as a new idea and submit it. And Microsoft backend team, they are going to validate your ideas, whether if it is already implemented, they will revert back. If not, you can get some votes from your community team itself. You can see many people, the similar feature which is not available, they can vote for your idea. It will be get it viewed by the community, Microsoft Fabric community as well. So you can post it those activities here. Like that, if I have some queries related to the Power BI, so click on this in the forums part, Power BI forum. Click on the Power BI forum. Like in Power BI, we have multiple layers like a desktop, services. Maybe if you have some queries related to the tags, or maybe if you have some queries related to the reporting server, Power BI reporting server, or maybe if you have some queries related to the Power Query editor, these are all the information has been exclusively segregated. So maybe I have a query on desktop level. I can click on this desktop level, which because I'm going to spend most of my development activities there, I'm going to write and post it here. So how can I post it? So before get start with any new kind of queries related to the Power BI desktop, first go through it. So how can I get it your query answered very quickly? So there is a pinned a discussion. Click on this. So you'll get to know what information accurately if you can provide. How can we get the result immediately from the community team as well? So just to go through this, do some research, everything they mention, be nice to the other users and participants and so on. Go through it. Oh, sorry. Likewise, one more. Other than that, I will share you one more example. This is take one query like this: data hierarchy. A subject they have given in detail. Example I'm showcasing to you. Date hierarchy does not get generated. You have to add some snapshot, and along with that, if you can add some dummy data instead of adding your real data, that is well and good. To check by other community user or expert, and they can answer accordingly like this. So maybe they're answered in this way like this. See here. Got it? And if you're okay and satisfied with the community, I mean, that particular answer, then you can start with, accept the solution, accept it as a solution. Or else maybe if you want to share, if it is not meeting your requirement, you can add further thread in the form of next line of thread items accordingly. So that it is mutual communication. right? Nicely respected with each other. So until and unless arrives your right solution, you can post and make use of this community as well. Like this, like example, this is the desktop part like that. Maybe if you have any queries related to the surveys or reporting server, as I said, development part, DAX related commands and so on, you can post it by selecting the proper accurate thread. Got it? Like that. Currently, I showcased you in the forums part Power BI. Maybe if you're working on a Microsoft Fabric related data engineering forum is there, data warehouse forum, and data science related, and real-time intelligence forum. Maybe if you are working on a real-time streaming analytics, you can post your queries here. So each and every layer has been segregated. Real-time intelligence also, event houses, event streams, and so on. You can click on this, click on any one of it. Like example, I have a query on the real-time intelligence part, right? Click on this, create it as a new message. Click on the new message. Add your subject here, subject of your discussion, and provide in detailed along with some, dummy data, and maybe if the visualization like a snapshot is valid, and if you want to provide that particular snapshot also well and good for us, so that it is very speedy to get it answered, and maybe you can implement it on at your end locally. This is how, and this is one more forums part you are going to observe it, forums related. And we discussed about ideas, inspirations. This is also very important content. Like example, if you want to make sure that galleries, Power BI related galleries, maybe if you want to write some data story galleries, right? Themes gallery, maybe you want to use the background, JSON background on your reporting layer, or maybe if you want to cross verify the theme set, how it available by developed by other users. You can also cross verify these theme galleries. To variety of theme galleries are there. Maybe if you're observing top kudos, featured, and so on. So how can you get it, download these themes? So this is one more question. I will get it on regular basis. So see here, once you go to the navigate to the themes, so you can click on this. I'm selecting one of the theme here. Below you can find it out the JSON file. So if you're observing, there is a JSON file, dark Ruby theme. These themes you have to get it import onto your Power BI desktop application. Maybe in the further next session, right, I'm going to showcase to how can we get it import these JSON themes into the Power BI desktop application. So this is how the background, the font colors, the size, everything will be get it added once you add these background themes to your reporting builder, report level. This is how it looks like, and we already discussed about ideas and community. So this part we are going to discuss tomorrow again. And blog post, we discussed about it. And community news is something like, as I mentioned, updates, community updates. What's happening? Like currently data days is going on, and some challenges. Recently, we completed a Fabric Community Sticker Challenge too. Like that, if there is any good, news from the Microsoft community platform team, so they will update it here. This is what I want to discuss in today's activities part. We discuss the features, where should you check, and how can you write a blog, and community feedback. Let me showcase to you. Maybe I missed this. Community feedback. Yeah, sorry. Support, community support. Maybe if you want to write, or else if you want to share your feedbacks, so you can make use of this using community feedback here. Community feedback, sorry, I clicked wrong one. Community feedback. If you have any queries or assistance required directly from Microsoft Community Platform, similar like that, how we've read the forum level questionnaire, click on this new message, add your subject and the body of it, and maybe if there is any label, you can attach it and then submit. This is directly answered by the Microsoft Community Platform, saying Microsoft Fabric Community Platform team, sorry. Yeah, right. And ideas. This part also we discussed. You can submit your ideas if it is relevant and it is not yet implemented. Microsoft team, they will check it as per the votes, and they can take it into the next consideration, and they can start working on it accordingly. And the further releases, you can see where ideas will be get it implemented. This is what I want to share it for today, and thanks. Hope you like it, and if you like, my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And looking forward for many more sessions like this. Thank you.